Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it.
We have here a great buy in Kingston 6. This 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom standalone home is perfectly located in Whitcomb, a popular residential area. It has open floor plan with enclosed front and back verandas, helpers quarters, electronic gate, wiring for security system, a generator, water tank and much more. The land area of this house is approximately 7,879 square feet. Guys, it's time to take a quick look at this house. Please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 82 million or US $533,000. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.